Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share an Instagram highlight while using your PC, this guide is for you. With the latest Instagram update, sharing highlights directly from your browser is easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps together so you can quickly share your favorite moments with friends, family, or your followers. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you're using a web browser, just go to the Instagram website and log in with your account details. Once you're in, head over to the profile that contains the highlight you want to share. This could be your own profile or someone else's. Just make sure you're on the right page. Now look just below the bio section on that profile. You'll see a row of circular icons. These are the highlights. Find the one you're interested in and click on it to open the highlight story. The story will start playing, just like it does on your phone. Here's where the new update comes into play. While the highlight story is open, look up at your browser's address bar. You'll notice that the URL has changed to reflect the specific highlight you're viewing. This is the direct link to the highlight story. Next, move your cursor to the address bar, select the entire link, and right-click. From the menu that appears, choose Copy. You've now copied the direct link to this Instagram highlight. The final step is sharing the link wherever you want. Paste it into a message, an email, a group chat, or even in your own Instagram bio or story. Anyone who clicks the link will be taken directly to that highlight, making it super convenient to share special moments or important updates. That's it. With these simple steps, you can share any Instagram highlight from your PC in just a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials for the latest Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.